What's going on, everyone? So Jonathan here from Mud Tire, and I want to tell you about when you make a mistake. Everybody knows we want to show you the good videos, but let's show you the screw ups. So what I've got right here is Dana 60 Knuckle. These are ball joint delete cups. On the instruction day, apparently I didn't pay attention because these are supposed to go in from the top like a normal ball joint. But for whatever reason, they're welded on the bottom. So what we got to do is we're going here, we're going to cut a relief line all the way around this. We're going to chop that off. We're going to grind down until we see the metal ring, and then we're going to press out that cup. So stay tuned. You'll see the finished product. All right, now phase two. Cut this bad boy off at the top. Now we're going to get our grinder. We're going to grind all this down until it's flush. We're going to punch that cup out. All right, so next step of unscrewing yourself on your Dana 60 Knuckle. You can see the relief line now that I've ground down. Now I've got a socket and an extension. I'm going to punch that thing right through. Yep, time to punch it through. All right, as you can see, punched right through. Everything's going to be clean. Do one last hit. We're good to go.